If you've heard the term Forex VA and you're wondering, wait, what exactly does a Forex virtual assistant do? Especially if you're interested in working online, but you're not a Forex trader yourself. So this video is for you. Because here's the thing, being a Forex VA doesn't automatically mean na kailangan mo rin maging professional trader. So a Forex VA is basically a virtual assistant who provides support within the Forex and trading industry. But what does that actually look like? Sino bang mga nag-hire ng mga Forex VAs? What kind of work do they do? What skills do you need? And do you actually need to know how to trade? Let's break all of that down in simple terms. Okay? Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're interested in virtual assistants, Forex, remote work, in different ways you can build an online career, you're in the right place. And if you're new here, consider subscribing because I'll be sharing more practical videos about working online and building skills that you can actually use. So today, we're keeping things very simple. We're answering one question. What is a Forex VA? And I want this video to be useful, especially if you're hearing this term for the first time. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with the simplest definition. Ano ba yung Forex VA? Forex VA means Forex Virtual Assistant. So a Forex VA is a virtual assistant who provides administrative, operational, marketing, customer support, or other digital services to businesses and professionals within the Forex and trading industry. So instead of supporting just any type of business, a Forex VA specializes in working with people or companies connected to Forex. For example, a Forex VA might work with a Forex trader or a trading coach. Pwede rin sa mga trading community. Okay? Also, sa prop firms and mga brokers. Or another businesses operating within the trading ecosystem. So now, the exact responsibilities can be very different depending on the client. And that's very important. Because there isn't just one job description called Forex VA. So iba-iba yan. Depende yan sa mga client na makukuha nyo. So one client might need social media help. Another might need customer support. So, iba-iba siya. So, when you hear Forex VA, think of it like it's a specialized VA role within the Forex industry rather than one specific job. Okay? So, ano ba yung mga ginagawa naman ng Forex VA? So, you might be thinking, what would I actually be doing all day? So honestly, this is where it gets interesting. So a Forex VA can actually perform many of the same tasks ng mga general VA. So the difference is that you're doing those tasks for a client whose business is related sa Forex or sa trading. For example, dito sa traders, ang pwede mong gawin dyan ay ayusin ang schedule ni trader. Yung mga travel plans niya. Pwede ka rin maging responsible sa email niya. So you could organize emails, pwede kang mag-respond sa mga basic inquiries, pwede mo i-categorize yung mga messages niya, and Make sure important communications don't get missed. Ganon. Sa mga coaches naman, an example there is pwede kang maging social media manager. Kasi coaches yan eh. Basically, ang mga coaches nag-sell ng courses. So, pwede ka rin maging operations manager. Ikaw ang bahala sa operations ng business ni coach. Something like that. And you could also work in community management. Kung ang magiging client mo, ang business niya ay trading communities. Ganon. Sa mga prop firms naman, you could be a customer support representative. Ikaw ang tagasagot sa mga inquiries ng mga trader dun sa prop firm na yon. And of course, sa mga brokers din. Chat support. Ganon siya. Okay? So, the question is, do you have to be a forex trader? Actually, depende yan sa client. May mga client ako nakikita na nagre-require na dapat knowledgeable ka sa forex. So, syempre, for you to be able to be knowledgeable sa forex, forex trader ka na nun. Correct? Or, pwede rin naman na hindi ka trader, pero inaral mo yung trading. So, pwede yun. Forex VA doesn't actually mean na magte-trade ka. Na ikaw yung magte-trade para kay client. So, depende yun sa task na ibibigay sa'yo ni client. So, edge na rin siguro yung marunong kang mag-trade. But, as long as you know the whole picture or alam mo yung pasikot-sikot sa trading dahil inaral mo siya, pwede kang maging Forex VA. Okay? So, being a Forex VA and being a Forex trader are two different things. So, for example, imagine you have a trading coach as your client. So, the coach is responsible for teaching their students and doing their trading-related work. But they might need someone to organize their calendar, manage emails, help with content, at then ka papasok. Doon pumapasok ang mga Forex VA. Okay? So you're not necessarily being hired to make trading decisions. You're being hired to support the business. However, here's something na maire-recommend ko sa inyo. So even if you don't trade, you should make an effort to understand the basics of the industry. Okay? Para mas madali na rin sa'yo na i-support yung client kasi nga, naiintindihan mo yung environment nila or yung mundo nila. Okay? So, who can hire a Forex VA? Ayan yung mga nabanggit ko kanina. Traders, coaches, communities, prop firms, brokers. So, as you can see, ang lawak. Madami kang pwedeng maging client. Okay? So, what makes a Forex VA different? So, what really makes a Forex VA different from a general VA? It's the niche knowledge and context. So, imagine you have two VAs who are both good at social media. Yung isa, wala siyang knowledge sa trading. Habang yung isa naman understands the basic terminology, audience, content style, and yung environment of the Forex industry. So, for a Forex-related client, that industry knowledge can make communication and execution much easier. So, that's the advantage of specialization. And mas madali ka rin makakakuha ng client kung meron kang specialization. Okay? So, you're not necessarily learning an entirely different profession, but you're learning how to apply your VA skills to a specific industry, which is yung trading industry niya. Okay? So, if I were starting from zero and I wanted to explore becoming a Forex VA, here's how I'd approach it. So una, I'd identify the VA skills I already have. Maybe I'm organized. I'm good with communication. Maybe I know how to manage social media. Kaya ko rin mag-customer service. Magaling din sa administrative work. Then, I choose a few services that actually match dun sa mga skills ko na yun. And then, ang next kong gagawin, I'd start learning the basics of the Forex industry. Not because I need to become a trader, but because I want to understand the world that my potential clients operate in. Okay? And then from there, I'd work on building proof of my skills. So that last part is actually a whole topic on its own. So I don't want to turn today's video into a portfolio tutorial. So I'll save that for another video. Okay? So recap, a Forex VA is actually a VA who supports clients and businesses within the Forex industry. So they can potentially help with things like admin tasks, email, calendar management, customer support, social media, and many other digital support. Okay? So you don't automatically have to be a Forex trader. Remember that. But you should understand the industry enough to communicate effectively. And of course, perform your role properly. Okay? So here's what I want you to do after watching this video. Grab a piece of paper or open your notes app and answer this 3 questions. Number 1, what VA skills do I already have? What services could I realistically offer? And yung pangatlo, what do I need to learn about the Forex industry? Don't try to learn everything. Start with those 3 questions. Because once you understand what a Forex VA is, next question naturally becomes, what Forex VA service should I offer? And that's actually a separate video we can dive into. Okay? So in this video, if this video helped you finally understand what a Forex VA actually is, hit the like button. And if you're currently thinking about becoming a Forex VA, let me know in the comments. And are you completely new to Forex? Or do you already have some experience or maybe a little bit of knowledge? And if you know someone who's interested in working online or becoming a VA, share this video with them. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll be breaking down more topics around Forex VA, freelancing, finding clients, remote work, and building an online career. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.